Welcome, MARKSMITH backers and FaceTubers. I'm just going to show off what we're doing here with this first production batch of MARKSMITHs that arrived. So they arrive in these boxes, and they come from the machine shop like this, in this gift box, and there's no cartridge in here when it arrives, and there's no cartridge inside the MARKSMITH either. The MARKSMITHs are empty at this point. So what we're doing is we're taking them So here we're taking the MARKSMITH and doing a close visual inspection of the cosmetics, and if there's anything wrong with them, like scratches or anything like that, which is minor, or which all have been minor, or things that you barely see, but I don't even notice. Yeah, we're taking it and we're using a very fine Scotch-Brite pad and just buffing out any minor little scratches. Now, like I said, these are things that you probably wouldn't even notice, but we have to keep an eye out for that kind of stuff and just make sure that everything's perfect when it arrives to you. And you can use the same process to refinish your MARKSMITH if it gets scratched while you're using it. So it's a very easy finish to maintain on here, and it's super easy to remove any scratches that can happen to the titanium casing of your MARKSMITH. So first, the one cartridge gets put into the case, and then we're going to insert another cartridge. And he does it a little bit differently than I recommended on the instructions, but the effect is the same. Looks like he extends it out first and then allows it to retract, so he knows that it's in the right place. And then test the action a few times to make sure that everything works well. And back in the box it goes. And we're putting in a little welcome sheet here. This is for backers only, for Kickstarter backers. It's got a little bit of information on there and some links on where to see instructions and get more refills and accessories and stuff. And they go over into this box, and we have some more over here that are in process, have been processed, and this is just a part of the orders. And then here's our package and shipping station, where we got different batches of orders that are queued up, and we have our extra marker cartridges here that we add in. Like if you bought 2 extra cartridges, we're going to add those into the box for you. If you bought more than that, we're going to add them in separately in a separate packaging. And down here are more MARKSMITHs. They're ready to be put in the packages for shipping. And here we have some that are ready to go out to the post office. I'm very pleased with the production version of the MARKSMITH, and we can't wait to get them into your hands. And I really appreciate all our Kickstarter backers' patience in getting this made the right way, the perfect way, and you'll be completely satisfied with it. So thank you so much from the bottom of my soul-built heart.